Hey guys, we're back. I don't know if you can hear it sizzling, but it's going to town. Now, I have to correct myself. This is not an Instapot. It's a Cuisinart electric pressure cooker. It's almost the same thing. I think it's just from a different company. But I put my seasoned salt in, and I'm going to dump some onions in. You want the whole thing in there? Alright. And then I'm adding some carrots. Huh? Oh, there's a lot of carrots in the first batch. And then, where's the potato? Oh, where's the potato? Okay, we're stirring this around. Okay. Stirring the onions and the carrots. Okay. And I'm going to drain your potatoes and dump them in there. And then we're going to get the bone broth, beef bone broth. Wow, say that 5 times real fast. I put a cup and a half of water. And stir it around again. Oh no, do you want to throw a couple more carrots in there?
I don't have any more.
Oh, well, never mind.
Got some.
Never mind. Okay, now, everything's in the pot, so how did we do this? Okay.
Lid.
Yes, put the lid on, and it's gotta go this way to lock, and then, yeah, push that till it clicks, and then we'll come over here and you do, can you see that? Let me see if I can get it right. You know I'm not going to get it right now.
Yes, you will.
Okay. How do I do it? Oh, time. Oh, no, I got to do, I'm sorry, shaking a lot.
I'll do this one.
Yeah, okay. Let's see. High pressure time. Uh-oh. Menu. Time. 10. And start. Whew. Now, the first time we did it, it took forever because Brainiac didn't do this little pressure guide thing. And, but that's working now. And what will happen is when this little dot stops blinking, that means it's got enough pressure in it, and it'll count down and automatically turn to keep warm, and it'll beep and let us know when it's done. Amazing! It's very scary and intimidating at first, so we will let you know how the second batch, this is our second batch. We tried it once, but I was thinking, no way am I going to film this because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I still don't know what I'm doing, but hey. So I want you to see our first try. Are you ready? That's the way it came out. Oh, and it tastes wonderful. The potatoes are done. The meat's done. Don't need a knife to cut it.
It's not mushy.
And it's not mushy, and there's a lot of gravy in there. So,
Flour you put on the meat.
oh yeah. Well, you know, I think everybody flours their meat before they brown it. I'm assuming. But, you know, that could not be true. So, we'll be back and let you know how the second batch turns out, okay? Bye. Okay, it beeped. That means it is done, and it's on keep warm. So, let's see. Yeah, keep warm. So what we're going to do is turn it off, and then this is what it said to do. This is tricky because it's and when that gets done steaming and making all kind of noise, I can open it. Don't try and do it too soon, okay? Because you could hurt yourself. Takes a couple minutes. Now, not only do you not want to see the steam, but you don't want to hear anything coming out of this thing either. Okay. Now we're gonna, sorry, I'm trying to hold this thing and do this thing, and it doesn't work. So I'm gonna unlock this thing, and I'm shaking kind of bad last couple of days, sorry. Okay, and you always open it away from you just in case. Ooh, ah, look at that. Yummy. And these chunks of meat you can cut with a fork. And look, this utensil can go right into the, well, let me get it. I can't even hold it, but it goes right into the potatoes. So the potatoes are done. Woo-hoo. So we're going to eat now.
And remember what today is. Eat what you want today.
Oh yeah, today is Eat What You Want Day. So after this, we will be eating ice cream, I'm sure. Okay? So take it easy. Take the long way home.